Welcome to Chat Smart English. Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Imagine a world where you no longer hesitate while speaking, where words flow naturally and conversations feel effortless. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today I have something special for you. This is not just a video. It's a daily practice session designed to rewire your brain for English fluency. All you need to do is listen to this every day and repeat after me. Yes, that's it. No grammar drills, no complicated rules. Just simple, effective, and powerful practice. In just a few minutes daily, you will train your ears to recognize natural English phrases, your mouth to pronounce words correctly, and your mind to think in English. And the best part? You don't need a teacher or a classroom, just hit play and follow along. So, are you ready? Let's begin this powerful journey toward fluent English. Like this video and subscribe so you never miss your daily English practice. Now, let's start with some simple yet powerful sentences that you can use every day. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. Repeat after me. 1. Good morning. How are you today? 2. I am feeling great and ready for the day. 3. Can I help you with something? 4. Excuse me, could you repeat that, please? 5. I am learning English and I practice every day. Well done. By repeating these simple phrases daily, your brain will get used to thinking and speaking in English. But this is just the beginning. Let's move forward and make your fluency even stronger. Stay with me. The next part will take your English to the next level. Now, let's take it a step further. Instead of just short sentences, let's practice longer and more natural sentences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Repeat after me. 1. I woke up early today and felt really fresh and energetic. 2. I am trying to improve my English, so I listen and practice every day. 3. It's a beautiful day outside and I'm looking forward to learning something new. 4. Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest coffee shop is? 5. Speaking English every day makes me feel more confident and comfortable. Excellent. You are training your brain to think in English naturally. The more you listen, repeat, and use these sentences, the faster you will improve. Now, let's add some real-life conversation practice in the next part. Ready? Let's go! Great job so far. Now, let's practice some real-life conversations. Imagine you are talking to someone in English. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Scenario 1. Meeting someone new. Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name? You. My name is your name. It's nice to meet you too. Me. Where are you from? You. I'm from your country and I'm learning English. Scenario 2. Ordering at a cafe. Good morning. What would you like to order? You. I would like a cup of coffee, please. Me. Would you like it with milk and sugar? You. Yes, please. Just a little sugar. Amazing. By practicing these conversations daily, you will sound more natural and confident in real situations. Now, let's move to the next level, where we will practice thinking in English. Keep going. Now, let's take your English to the next level by training your mind to think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, let's practice thinking directly in English. Exercise 1. Describe your day. Imagine you are talking to yourself in English. Repeat after me. I woke up early this morning and stretched my body. Then, I brushed my teeth and took a shower. I had a delicious breakfast and felt ready for the day. Exercise 2. Talk about your plans. Now, let's practice talking about the future. Repeat after me. Today, I will practice my English for 15 minutes. Later, I will watch a movie in English with subtitles. Tomorrow, I plan to speak English with a friend. Amazing! The more you practice thinking in English, the easier speaking will become. No more hesitation, no more translating. Now, let's move on to the next part, where we will practice common English expressions. You're doing fantastic! Now let's practice some common English expressions that native speakers use all the time. These will help you sound more natural and fluent. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Expression 1. Asking for help. Can you help me with this, please? I don't understand. Could you explain that again? Expression 2. Express a gratitude. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it. Expression 3. Apologizing. I'm sorry for being late. Please forgive me. I didn't mean to upset you. Expression 4. Giving compliments. You look amazing today. This is really good. You did a great job. These expressions will help you sound more natural and confident when you're speaking English. Keep practicing them every day to improve your fluency. In the next part, let's talk about how to stay motivated and make learning English a part of your daily life. The key to mastering English is consistency. Every day, just a few minutes of practice can make a huge difference. But staying motivated is important, right? Let's talk about how to keep yourself on track and make learning English a part of your daily routine. Tip 1. Set small, achievable goals. Instead of thinking, I want to be fluent in English today, set smaller goals like, I will learn 5 new words today. I will practice speaking for 10 minutes. I will watch 1 English video and repeat after the speaker. By achieving these small goals daily, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and keep moving forward. Tip 2. Make learning fun. If you enjoy what you're doing, it will be easier to stay motivated. Try learning English through your favorite activities, like watching English movies or TV shows, listening to English music or podcasts, reading interesting articles or books in English. When you enjoy the process, it doesn't feel like work, but fun practice. Tip 3. Keep track of your progress. It's important to look back and see how much you've improved. Keep a journal or note on your phone and write down what you practiced each day. Today I learned new phrases for ordering food in English. I had a conversation in English with a friend. Seeing your progress will keep you motivated to keep going. Remember, consistency is the key to improvement. Make English a part of your daily routine, and you'll see amazing results. In the next part, we'll wrap up with some final motivational thoughts and remind you to keep going. Congratulations! You've made it this far, and you are well on your way to becoming fluent in English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goal. By listening every day, repeating after me, and practicing consistently, you are building a strong foundation. Keep pushing yourself, and don't be afraid to make mistakes, because mistakes are the stepping stones to success. Here's your challenge. Commit to listening and practicing every day for the next 30 days. Even if it's just for 10 minutes, consistency will make a world of difference. Take note of how much your confidence grows, how much your fluency improves, and how much more comfortable you feel speaking in English. So, are you ready to take this challenge? Let's make English fluency a daily habit, just like brushing your teeth. Keep practicing, keep listening, and you'll soon find yourself speaking English effortlessly. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily practice videos. And always remember, English fluency is within your reach. Keep going. You've got this. Comment below how much you've improved after practicing every day, and let me know your progress.